Boy, there's another ship! Oh! Yarg me, boy! We are here to board ye vessel! Oh no. Oh no, they're taking on speed!
Grab the patos, me lad!
Yarg! Grab him!
Grab the him! Hi-ho, young lad!
Towards starboard!
Take Jerusalem, me lad! That's the wrong.
Arg, matey! We've come aboard ye ship!
Arr.
I shall! Alright, here, take these. There's another ship. We shall go grab them. Alright, I'm gonna push you forward. Don't look like we're sailing at them. Woo. Go. Alright, starting to get to the territory of no touch. We shall ram them together. Fernando and I go on our solo adventure. Gotta blow off this dang camera.
So I'll do ye a favor.
Wish I had something dry to wipe off the camera with, but I don't.
Here, win some, you lose some.
Do we have a towel?
Yeah, I have towel.
Alright.
Yeah.
I didn't bring one. That's the only thing I forgot.
How did you not bring a towel?
Do you see that?
Do I see what?
That would be a great slip and slide. Alright, we're going up. Ow. I'm gonna use this, a piece of this. Grab. Can you get your towel out? Oh, well, I don't want to rip it because my hands are wet. Nando's about to jump. You got this.
All right.
Don't be scared, bro.
I can feel myself about to do it, but I can't really bring myself to do it. I swear to God.
I wasn't gonna push you. You got this, bro. No, not at all.
So it's soft.
Really soft sand. And if you land right where those are, it's even softer.
Alright, good.
Feels like you're landing on a pillow, unless you land on your back. Then it feels like you're landing on a ton of bricks.
I'm going to land my back anytime soon. I'm terrified under mine, but I'm gonna do it. I swear to
You
God,
got this.
If I don't do it, I can actually murder someone.
You got this, bro.
Okay, oh, let me
Go.
find myself.
You're gonna step on that? You got this.
Okay.
You did it! Watch out. You there, Fernando? All right. Where are you at, Fernando? All right, don't get hit. Oh, work it off.
Come on, walk it off. Walk it off, buddy. Walk it off.
Oh my God. Oh. This is why you don't jump. Messed up my mouth. I hit the ground on my stomach. Really hurt. If you're jumping, be skilled. It's gonna happen. You're gonna get hurt. Life's like that. All right, we're sailing out to the deeper water.
Go deeper water, people.
Let's go. Deeper water, me boy.
Deeper water, people.
Oh, this is so hard.
Hard.
Oh.
Ah.
Just challenge it! Ah! They just keep on. The waves are battering us.
What? What's going on with the next
Here. Take these out. Hold them. Sacrifice!
No.
Sacrifice! Alright, come on. Hello. You two want in?
Pull out your little kids.
Get in my boat, little kids.
My boat.
Oh my god! We're going over. And that's what we want. You guys are gonna be underwater for a bit, but we'll be there. Actually, let's walk along the beach until we find the shallows that are closest and then walk. Hello. Let's go. Shall we walk along the beach?
Walk a little bit more that way, because we've been that way, yes. But we almost
Oh yeah, look, there's bigger shallows over that way. Oh, my left arm is messing with me. Hello.
supposed to sail that ship to sea. Good?
Look, stand still and then let a wave come in and then feel it grab, like get closer, stand in, and then feel it move the dirt from under you.
Oh my god, this is like a movie.
Yeah! Or one supposed to put that ship to sea.
Once.
There are once. Seal! Oh my, look at the waves. Oh my, no one's reached these shallows. No one's at the shallows.
All right.
Do we claim the shallows?
They're way farther than we
Look at the ones in front of us.
are. Yeah, they're farther.
Should we go back?
Let's try it out.
Oh, if my head goes under, I'm not gonna like this.
You're dead. Son, you're dead.
Oh,
Dude, they're more intense over here. Like, actually, I can feel myself being pushed.
oh God. Probably because this is a deeper channel. Oh, look at that. Oh,
Ow!
oh my God. That hit you. That looked like it hurt. I'm wearing a water shirt so I don't get sunburnt because, yeah, we're stupid.
So I won't get wet.
So I'm wearing a water shirt so I don't get wet. Oh my God, look. It just hit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Fernando, look, watch this. My water shirt inflates. Heave. Oh, that wave that just hit us was massive.
Dude,
like,
we're barely even offshore, too.
We're barely even offshore.
And I'm already, like... And you're almost head deep.
No. Oh, here comes one. Here comes one. Oh, I'm gonna jump over this wave. Oh. I was waving to the camera. Let's go, brothers! Oh, that wave almost knocked the boat over. Hello, my fellow people.
Hello.
Hi!
Oi! Ninda da
Oh, no!
Ay! Ninda
How
da
are you guys dealing with the storm? You guys like the waves?
Yeah. They're very fun today.
Say hi to YouTube.
Say hi to Facebook.
Yeah.
Well, he is.
So a nugget, it's kind of hard to describe. I would get a book or something and write it down, but I don't have a book because I can't read. Oh, these waves are gonna take us. Now just imagine you see the. Now just imagine you see the entire shoreline recede.
Oh my god, dude, if you look over there, like if you tune out all the people, it literally looks like you're like in the middle of the ocean.
It kind of scares me.
It really does.
Look at that. It legit, I'm gonna see. It looks like, if you look at the distance, you can see that we're in the middle. It looks like we're in the middle. Right here, you can see we're not.
It looks like we're in the beach if you look over there.
POV Fernando. Look, we're about to reach the shore. If we just continue, that was a big one. If we just continue on this path, we're about to reach the mini shallows. There's a deeper one. There's a farther shallows out there that's unconnected from the other one.
Really?
Yeah, you wanna try and reach there?
Where is it?
Look out there. You can see the green, but it's not connected to the green in front of us.
No. I think you're right, actually.
Is this the part where we swim to
No,
it?
this is the part where I dump you out of the boat.
Oh no, I can't touch over here. Now let's get it. Whoa, these are some big
Let's see
ones.
if I can survive 20 minutes underwater without any oxygen.
Oh.
Without an oxygen tank. Oh, look at that one. Oh, look at that one. Look at that one.
Oh,
Look at that one.
oh, there's like 4 good ones in a row. Ah. Every time the wave hits, it like grabs the front and kind of dips it down, which will probably flip the ship.
Here's what I'm gonna do.
Do you got this?
Make you loose for a bit, alright?
Are you okay? Do you got this?
How would you feel?
I wish we had a rope.
How would you feel if I just pushed you towards the
I would be alright.
like,
But if I fell out, that'd be kind of scary.
like just like push the boat towards
Yeah,
the freaking
that's
sand.
alright.
Yeah. How would you feel? Well, like,
Let's go. We're going to the sandbar.
here's the thing. I don't actually know if that's gonna actually work.
You wanna ask one of them for assistance? Just swim into you or walk until you can't touch, and then like I'll try and paddle my way over. You got this? These are gonna. All right. The adventure towards the sandbar.
Towards the sandbar, brothers.
We're sideways.
Go sideways?
Yeah. Ooh, the waves. Oh God.
I can't do it.
You can't touch?
I can touch, yeah, but like I can't like actually push.
You swim. I'll attempt to get over. What? We did it! We made it to the sandbar! What'd you not see, Fernando?
Apparently, gator.
There was a gator? Gators, it's salt water though.
Man, I am really cold.
Ah! I'm out of the sandbar. Actually, no, I'm not. I got it. Oh, this is scary, Fernando. But we did it. We made it. Fernando, thank you. I don't like you anymore. That was a big wave. Should we go to those people?
Come on,
No.
I see another sandbar.
Oh! Are we gonna do it? Let's see how deep we can get. Look, now there's the blue water. Look at the blue water out there. Do you know why the water's blue out there? Because it's so deep that the sun doesn't reach it. That you can't see the bottom. That it doesn't glow up. So that's like 30-foot deep water. Oh, God. Are we gonna go to them?
Nope.
Why?
Oh, go to where?
These people.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Oh, look. Oh, no. Watch out, brother! Oh, my. That was a big one. Look at. This is beautiful.
Do you want to go? Do you want to go?
Where?
All the way out there.
No.
Look at that though.
Oh, the waves?
Look at him.
It's constantly battering you down, though. Here we go. Oh. Fernando, I'm getting in the boat.
Hold on.
Getting in the boat. And I'll get out whenever it's getting close to reach into the sandbar. Oh. We did it. Oh. Oh no.
What a lame way to die.
That flips the boat.
It freaking forced the boat out of my hand.
It like flipped it. That was really close to flipping it.
Oh my god, dude, I want more
Fernando.
Dude, I want more waves like that.
Say bye. Or something, I don't know. A padoodoo.
Yeah.
We did it, Fernando. We reached it.
My life is
This is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed.
My life is complete. I can do this now.
Oh. Peace.